Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Yes, you see the thumbnail, you'll see the dish. We're gonna be doing some fried okra, y'all. All right, we're trying to stick with the theme of Black History Month, hooking up these soul food dishes, you guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new, we got something in store for you guys. So let's get into the ingredients, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the ingredients. All right, you guys. So sticking with the theme of celebrate Black History Month with these soul food dishes, I'm gonna be doing some deep fried okra. So we're gonna be doing some, frying up some okra, you guys. You know, this is another black staple in Louisiana, New Orleans. I think it's the Geechee family, but I mean it's a lot of black cultures put okra in a lot of different dishes. They put them in gumbo. Actually, they have a okra gumbo and shrimp. So I know a lot of people be wondering about putting okra in their gumbo, but that's not necessarily saying it started from that. It actually was just okra. They had an okra gumbo. It was chicken, sausage, and a few other things like that. But it was actually the main ingredient in that okra gumbo was okra. So I don't like okra in my gumbo. Some people have different ways of using gumbo. Where it doesn't be slimy, but I had a bad experience. A lot of people make it where it's really, really slimy and it was green, and I was like, no. So in my gumbo, say I don't put this okra in there. I may do it in a soup because I'm gonna eat it up and stuff like that. And the way I do it, I did hear, one way to make sure you cut down with the sliminess is to fry them, like that first, and then put it in your soup. So saying to each his own, or however you like it. Let me know if you like okra in your gumbo or out of your gumbo. Have you tried fried okra before? I know fried okra. This is my mother's favorite dish to eat. I know she would always take us to Church's Chicken, and she would order, okra, fried okra. We would eat it with ranch dressing, ketchup, or just as it is. I think it had a cornmeal batter. But what do you think about okra? Is that one of your favorite dishes? I do notice that a lot of people do not like okra in a lot of their dishes. It's like kind of a 50-50 thing for some people. But I definitely wanted to do a deep fried okra, in this video. So we're going to get over to chopping up the okra and get ready to deep fry it. Make sure you wash them out. So I'm going to actually rinse them off first. Make sure, rinse them pretty good. And then we'll get ready to chop them up. So they're pretty simple and easy. So just cut off the ends. Not too edible. The tail, you can eat the tail, or you can use it for another dish. But I'm not going to do that. Yeah, just keep chopping them up. All right, you guys. And they have all different types of okra, sizes, colors, and stuff like that. They're all mostly green. I'm just saying sizes, meaning because these are pretty small. So yeah, just cut them up like that. Cut the tails up, and let me finish cutting these up, and I'll get ready to start hooking up the batter to fry it. All right, so now that we got all the okra chopped up, I'm gonna put it in a bowl. I do mine a little bit differently. This is how I'm gonna season my okra. Now, some people don't do it. They season the batter, just the batter. I do actually both. I actually season the batter and I season, my okra. So what I do is for me, some people do a lot of different ways, but I actually start out with a little avocado oil, put on it. So what this does is this helps adhere the seasoning I'm gonna be seasoning with. It's gonna actually stick to it. Put it like that. So just do it like this. You can flip it around. Oh, don't forget to start your fryer up. Put it on 350 degrees and season it. Just put it on 300 so you won't burn it. And season it up, guys. Toss it in the seasoning so it get fully coated. Now, so make sure you don't over salt your okra. If you look at it, the seasoning is pretty much all over it. And we're gonna do straight up flour. We're gonna be mixing in with it to shake it up. So it's enough, like I said, it's enough oil on it and stuff like that. But I'm gonna show you why I like this way instead of other. Some people do the batter like a double egg, or they put it in olive. I mean, what is it? Put it in buttermilk. But I do it this way. You know, I'm shaking it up, make sure it's fully coated. And then next what I do is, I have a bag of seasoned flour, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna put all of them in there. So just dump them all in. Dump them all in. And you'll see when I'm done, just shake it up. Make sure they're fully coated. Shake them up, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them. All right, you guys. So if you look, if you see in the bag, they're fully coated up. So I'm gonna get ready to get this fryer ready, and we're gonna be frying them up. All right. So what I did was I sifted my flour out of it in my drain right here. I mean, nobody uses this for spaghetti or a few other things, but this was one way to sift the flour out, stuff like that. So the okra is ready. You see, it's fully coated. And I'm getting ready to put it in to the oil to fry them on up. All right, you guys. You ready? You hear the oil? Sound like it's ready to me. And I'm about to drop them in the oil. Alrighty. I'm gonna deep fry it up. And they should be done. They don't until they take that long. Let them get a little good fry on them. And we're gonna be finishing. Alrighty, so okra is finished. I'm gonna get ready to drain them and dump them out. Alrighty. They're really good. Look a little snack size. But yeah, to add a little, Himalaya salt on it. It's always good to add a little bit more salt on, while it's hot. Yeah, and that's it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really pretty simple and easy okra video, you guys. This is some deep fried okra. Now, everybody, like I said, has a different way of doing it. Some of them have fully coated and stuff like that. I didn't want them, too battered up. I like more of the okra, on it, not too much batter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're new to my channel, let me know if you tried okra or you like okra. I know I asked that question earlier, but let me know. And let me know if you tried this out before. It's pretty good. It smells good. I'm about to get into, get my grub on eating it. But if you're not new, welcome on in. Welcome back, you guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. All right, y'all take it easy. And definitely check out the rest of the month's videos on my soul food dishes I'm hooking up for Black History Month, you guys. See you guys later.